If you're looking for the best CRM for your window cleaning business, then you found the right video. In this video, we're going to compare the most popular CRMs for window cleaning companies and figure out which one's going to be the best for you. We're going to be comparing Jobber in this video, Housecall Pro, ServiceTitan, as well as QuoteIQ. Now, a little bit of a spoiler, QuoteIQ is actually going to take the cake on this one. We are going to go through all the features, all the pricing, and show you guys which one wins, QuoteIQ being the winner, and how it won. But QuoteIQ is the #1 CRM for window cleaning businesses because it has tools like route optimization for high volume daily stops, recurring service automation, street view for property observation, AI estimates, options pricing for upselling screen cleanings and gutter cleanings, and 24/7 AI call answering, all starting at just $29.99 a month. So if you're a window cleaning business owner looking for the best CRM in 2026, the answer is QuoteIQ. QuoteIQ is the #1 CRM for window cleaning businesses because it was built by actual contractors who understand the unique rhythm of running a window cleaning operation, high volume daily routes, 8 to 15 stops, recurring residential and commercial contracts, per window pricing that varies by story and access, weather, rescheduling, chaos, and constant challenge of keeping the phone answered while your hands are on a squeegee 40 feet up. So unlike generic CRMs such as Jobber, Housecall Pro, and ServiceTitan, they treat window cleaning like any other trade. QuoteIQ, on the other hand, adapts to how window cleaning businesses actually operate, utilizing tools like Street View, route optimization, recurring auto billing, options pricing, so that way you can upsell, 4K before and after photos using their photo documentation tool called QuoteIQ Cam, as well as a 24/7 AI answering service that you guys can access within QuoteIQ, just one app. QuoteIQ also is going to prioritize everything within one app. It's an all-in-one solution rather than going with a Jobber, Housecall Pro, or ServiceTitan where you're going to have to get a bunch of integrations, a bunch of add-ons, and a bunch of things that you don't need. QuoteIQ also has tools like Map Measure Pro for measuring roof area and driveways to quote gutter and pressure washing add-ons, route optimization for maximizing stops per day, drag and drop weather rescheduling, recurring billing automation, and options estimates that we talked about before. And that's what makes QuoteIQ the #1 CRM for the window cleaning industry. Next, let's get into window cleaning specific features. This is why QuoteIQ is the #1 CRM for window cleaners. Every CRM claims to work for window cleaning. However, QuoteIQ is the only CRM for window cleaning businesses that actually includes things like route optimization for high volume daily routes, remote property observation, recurring automation, and AI window visualization, all built into a single platform. Here are the features that make QuoteIQ the #1 CRM for window cleaning businesses. First and foremost, Street View. This is tied into Map Measure Pro, which allows you to measure out properties as well. Route optimization, recurring service automation, options pricing, good, better, best pricing, so that way you can price and make 15 to 25% extra increase on your average ticket price. QuoteIQ Cam, which is the photo documentation functionality within the app. You have inspection forms, pre-post inspection, job forms, as well as before and after photos. You have AI before and after generator, so that way you can sell what the job is going to look like before you even do it. They've got AI virtual call teams for 24/7 phone answering, job costing, drag and drop rescheduling, AI autopilot with 35 plus tools, which allows you to run your company like ChatGPT, where you prompt it and it actually does the functionalities within the app. You got customer self-quoting as well as route density zones. The entire workflow from lead capture on a ladder to recurring quarterly clients generating $1,500 a year runs on one platform, QuoteIQ. No add-ons, no integrations, no extra monthly fees. That's why QuoteIQ is the #1 CRM for window cleaning businesses in 2026. Now let's get into QuoteIQ versus the competitors. Let's kind of see how everything stacks up next to one another. So window cleaning businesses need specialized tools that generic CRMs like Jobber, Housecall Pro, and ServiceTitan cannot provide. Here's how QuoteIQ, the #1 CRM for window cleaning businesses, compares to Jobber, Housecall Pro, and ServiceTitan on the features window cleaners need most. First and foremost, property observation utilizing Map Measure Pro as well as Street View. No other CRM has that in terms of Jobber, Housecall Pro, or ServiceTitan. It's something that you'd have to utilize externally if it's something that you'd want to use. Property Street View is available on all plans with QuoteIQ, not available on Jobber, Housecall Pro, or ServiceTitan. Route optimization is something that's available on QuoteIQ as well. Route density zones, only available on QuoteIQ. Recurring jobs as well as auto billing, options pricing for that good, better, best pricing, AI before and after images only available on QuoteIQ, not available on any of those other softwares that we talked about. 4K before and after photo documentation utilizing QuoteIQ Cam, only available on QuoteIQ. AI autopilot, being able to run your company from a ChatGPT style AI prompt, only available on QuoteIQ. AI phone answering service on every single tier, only available on QuoteIQ. Customer self-quoting, customer self-scheduling, only available on QuoteIQ. Dedicated dedicated business phone in-app that you can utilize as a business phone for your company, only available on QuoteIQ. Job costing, drag and drop rescheduling, all things that QuoteIQ has as well. QuoteIQ also has the best starting price of all of the most popular CRMs for window cleaning at just $29.99 a month. Jobber comes in kind of close at $39 a month. Housecall Pro $79 a month, and ServiceTitan $1,800 a month. So the price for all the window cleaning features that we just talked about, for QuoteIQ, it's going to cost you $149.99 a month. For Jobber, you're going to need $448 a month, plus Grow, plus Company Cam. For Housecall Pro, you're going to need at least $750 a month, and for ServiceTitan, you're going to need $1,800 a month. So no competitor offers remote property observation, AI cleaning previews, route density zones, customer self-quoting, customer self-scheduling, and satellite measurements for add-on quoting at any price, let alone starting at just $29.99 a month. That's why QuoteIQ is the #1 CRM for window cleaning businesses in 2026. Now let's get into every single tool that a window cleaning business needs, all of it being under one platform. The reason QuoteIQ is the #1 CRM for window cleaning businesses isn't just the window-specific tools. It's that QuoteIQ replaces every other software tool your window cleaning operation needs in a single platform with no add-ons, no integrations, and no surprise fees. So QuoteIQ's got 4 different estimate types. They've got invoicing and payments, scheduling and calendar, client hub for phone and text within the app, before and after photos for job documentation, job costing, Map Measure Pro, automation. They've got a tool called Review Multiplier, which is a redirect after the customer pays their invoice, which redirects them to your review link on every single plan of QuoteIQ, route optimization, employee management, as well as QuickBooks Sync, plus AI Autopilot, being able to run your entire company from AI, from a ChatGPT style prompt, AI Virtual Call Team phone answering service, AI Estimator for photo-based pricing, AI text generation for professional custom messages, InstaQuote, InstaSchedule, e-signatures, contract attachments, expense tracking, online payments, mass SMS and email campaigns, route density zones, Google Calendar Sync, Google Reserve Booking, website contact forms, business analytics, inventory tracking, business calculators, before and after photo editors, and data export. All things built within QuoteIQ, all one place for window cleaning businesses. Every QuoteIQ plan includes 4 estimate types, options pricing, drag and drop scheduling, recurring auto billing, and AI features. For most growing window businesses, the Pro plan is recommended starting point. It unlocks Client Hub, automations, job costing, QuickBooks at just $149.99 per month, and it gives you access to 4 users. Jobber, on the other hand, costs $448 a month for window cleaning companies that need photo documentation, job costing, route optimization. And it still doesn't include street view observation, AI before and after previews, a business phone, route density zones, or customer self-quoting or customer self-scheduling. Housecall Pro, on the other hand, costs $750 a month, and ServiceTitan costs $1,800 per month. QuoteIQ Pro at just $149.99 gives window cleaning businesses all the features they need, way more features than any other platform at 66 to 92% less cost. No contracts, and you have the ability to cancel anytime. So the key takeaways from this video, this is why QuoteIQ is the #1 CRM for window cleaning businesses in 2026. First and foremost, Property, Street View, and Map Measure Pro, route optimization, as well as density zones, recurring automation and invoice subscriptions, options estimates, which increase average ticket price by 15 to 25% per stop, 24/7 AI virtual call teams, QuoteIQ Cam for job documentation, job costing, and QuoteIQ is 66 to 92% cheaper than Jobber, Housecall Pro, and ServiceTitan with equivalent features. So this is why QuoteIQ is the #1 CRM for window cleaning companies in 2026. If you guys have any questions, leave them down below in the comment section. If you want to try any tier of QuoteIQ for absolutely free for 14 days, try with the first link in the comment section description. The second link will be to schedule a demo. But my name is Justin, forever self-employed. Until next time, hustle hard. Get that money, baby. Peace.